Good morning everyone. My name is Samiksha Vithalavande and today's my topic is digestive system. So in this topic we will discuss about organs of digestive system, their treatment, diseases, diagnostic tests and all about the digestive system. So let's start the topic. Digestive system. First we will discuss about what is the digestion process. Digestion is simply to say the breakdown of larger molecule into the smaller one, that is insoluble molecule into the soluble molecule. The complete digestion process is occurs in 30 to 40 hours. Digestive system is a group of organ that works together to absorb the nutrients from the food. So the digestive system, it involves the process. It mainly involves the 5 steps, that is ingestion, absorption, digestion, assimilation and excretion. So first one is the ingestion. Ingestion means the intake of food. Then second is the digestion. Digestion means the digestion of foods, digestion of food and digestion of nutrients from the food. Then third one is the absorption. Absorption, that is the absorption of nutrients from the food. And fourth one is assimilation. Assimilation means assimilation that simply said the solid particle into the liquid one. And the excretion, that is removal of excretory waste from the body. Then the digestive system is simply digestion is simply said the breakdown of larger molecule into the smaller one. The breakdown is mainly by mastication of food, then enzymatically breakdown or chemically breakdown. Chemically by HCl or enzymatically like accessory organs which are help in the digestion. Then a digestive system is divided into further two types, that is alimentary canal and accessory organ. Alimentary canal, it is also known as GI tract, and accessory organ, it not the part of digestive system but they are help in the process of digestion. So the alimentary canal, it involves the mouth cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And in accessory organ, it involves the salivary gland, liver, pancreas and gallbladder. So firstly we will discuss about the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth and into the anus. Then first is mouth cavity. Mouth cavity, it involves first one is tongue. Tongue is responsible for the taste. Then teeth. Teeth is helps in the mastication and chewing of food. Then palate. Palate is present below the tongue and help in the separation of help in the separation of air and passageway. Then salivary gland. Salivary gland are secrete the saliva and helps in the present amylase enzyme which are helps in the breakdown of carbohydrate. So then after mouth cavity, pharynx. Pharynx is present in the at the end of mouth cavity. It is a Y-shaped structure which is the common passageway of air, food and water. Then third one is the esophagus. Esophagus is a muscular tube which starts from mouth, which connect the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus are helps in the peristalsis movement of food. Then stomach, it is a J-shaped organ. The internal lining of stomach is made up of muscular tissue and the outer layer of stomach is made up of epithelial tissue. Stomach is responsible for the production of enzymes like HCl. It helps in the pepsin protein digestion. Then stomach is also helpful in the absorption of food. Then the separating the intrinsic factor, it helps in the absorption of vitamin B12. Stomach, at the end of stomach, sphincter muscle, sphincter, pyloric sphincter are present. Pyloric sphincter are helps in the transporting the substance to the small intestine. So the next one is the small intestine. Small intestine, it includes the complete digestion of food. Small intestine consists of mainly three parts, that is duodenum, ileum and jejunum. Duodenum is the first part of the small intestine, which is generally 30 cm long, and it helps in the absorption and digestion process because the presence of hair-like structure like villi and microvilli. Then second part of the small intestine is jejunum. Jejunum, it is 3 cm long and helps in the absorption and digestion of food. And last one is ileum. Ileum is the third part of small intestine, which is generally 2 cm, and in the ileum there is less absorption of food because there is less presence of villi and microvilli. Then after the small intestine, large intestine comes. The large intestine, it is responsible for the reabsorption of water and electrolyte. Large intestine, it consists of mainly three parts, that is cecum, colon and the rectum. Cecum is the first part of the large intestine, which helps to the small intestine, which helps to store the watery or liquid food comes from the small intestine. And second one is the colon. Colon is the second part of the large intestine, which pushes the excretory waste to the rectum. And rectum, it is the last. Colon is also responsible for the reabsorption of water and electrolyte, and the last part is the rectum, which stored the undigested or excretory product temporarily in the form of stool or feces. So it's all about the alimentary canal of digestive system. Then we will start about the accessory organ. The accessory organ, it involves the liver, gallbladder, pancreas and salivary gland. So first one is the liver. Liver is the largest gland of our body. It is generally 1.5 kg. Then liver is responsible for the secretion of bile, that is production of bile secretion, and also the destruction of old RBC or ruptured RBC. Then gallbladder is a storage of bile. It is also known as gall sac. The excessive deposition of deposition of bile, which produce the gallstone. Then third one is the pancreas. Pancreas, which secrete the pancreatic juices. It involves in both the digestive and endocrine system. So it involves in exocrine gland as well as endocrine gland. Exocrine gland, which secrete the pancreatic juices, and endocrine gland, which secrete the insulin and glucagon. And the last one is salivary gland. Salivary gland, which is responsible for the secretion of saliva, and it helps in the breakdown of carbohydrate with the help of amylase enzyme. So next one is the diseases of it's all about the accessory organs of the digestive system. Then we will discuss about the diseases of digestive system. In the diseases of digestive system, it include the anorexia, that is loss of appetite, then dyspnea, difficulty in swallowing, then jaundice. Jaundice is the bacteria that attacks to the liver, and diarrhea, that is a loss of water. It is due to the bacterial infection and responsible for the bacteria Streptococcus typhi. Then many other diseases are included in the digestive system. Then the diagnostic test, it involves the CT scan, biopsy, X-ray, blood test, stool test, it all about the diagnostic test. And last one is the treatment. In the treatment of digestive system includes the anti-inflammatory drugs which prevent the inflammation, then vaccination, as well as the antacid which is responsible for the prevention of acidity. Then vaccination are also included in the treatment of digestive system. So it's all about the treatment of digestive system. Thank you.